Joining from London. Let's go. It's what, like 2 p.m. there? I think. Nice. First day in Team Bull in general, or what? Or first time in the Zoom? Pressure's gonna be on today. First day in Team Bull. All right. Pressure's on. I like it. Let's find a banger. These last couple days, they've been something, but we came out green both days. 3.4K on Monday, and then like, what was it, like 800 yesterday? Where's the picture? Let's see, what did we actually make yesterday? 826. See if we can get the streak to continue. We'll go over the watch list here in a second. Just gotta get this sent out. Okay. Good morning, everybody. All right, so as far as the watch list today, I do want to watch Palantir. Very strong. Had a bull flag breakout yesterday, and now it's consolidating again. Want to see if we can hold this 1 hour 21 EMA as support, or at least like this low at like 101, or even potentially even 100, because we didn't actually touch 100 yet. So anywhere in this general area, I'm gonna watch Palantir. But if we lose 100, then I feel like we're gonna pull back. So either watch for a break. We do have like a little trend line right here, so we can look for strength for a continuation or a bounce, maybe around 100. So gonna watch Palantir, ES, same levels as yesterday. Reject isn't until all the way up here at 61.17 to 61.47. And then I have no good bounce until 59.83, all the way down to 59.50. So we are trading like, actually, hold on. I want to see if we hit this fib. All right, so I mean, the fib's not like, we've already tested it twice, actually 5 times. So not gonna watch that anymore. Yeah, I mean, really, we're just trading in between zones. So we'll look for an intraday setup, likely just scalp NQ, and then NQ, we're looking for the reject 21,750 all the way to 21,966. This is a huge area of support, not support, sorry, huge area of supply. So I'm going to be looking for the rejects. This is my highest probability reject area that I'm going to watch. Now, if we start breaking down, then we can watch, what is this high? Can't tell which one's higher. I think this one. Anyways, if we start breaking down, then we have a bounce all the way 21247 to 21113. And you can see we already tested it once before giving a continuation into a new high. I also want to watch Meta today as well. Meta's got a nice 1 hour squeeze. It's holding structure. It looks like it's breaking out of this little trend line that we had right here. So maybe a continuation or an uptrend entry above 703.50. Let's take it back into yesterday's high. So Palantir, Meta, SPY, and QQQ. This is the watch list today. What you guys watching? Or do you guys have any levels that you like? What's up, Zach? BZB, good morning. The Dow. Let's do some analysis on Dow real quick. I don't really trade it. Yeah, I mean, you're breaking above that little, like, pennant that we have. Right there. Let's see, daily. Came back to the daily 21 EMA, held it as support. No supply or demand on the 4-hour. You have a demand zone right here. And then, I mean, this is arguably a supply zone. Let's check the 3-hour, see if it looks better. No. You have one way up there, maybe the 1-hour. Yeah, the 1 and 2-hour kind of look the same. These would be like debatable supply zones, but I mean, we could still potentially watch it. Just depends on the reaction. There we go. Yeah, so I mean, the 1-hour, 2-hour lineup, 30-minute, nothing on the 30. And then 45. Got your 45-minute zone there as well. So, I mean, that would be a good area to potentially look for a reject. And then I also want to look at gold futures, actually. So that's new all-time highs. Gold's been cranking. And our demand's all the way down here, very far away. But if I was looking for a bounce on gold, it'd be where we are right now. Looks like we had some news that made us pull back, but that 1-hour 21 EMA is definitely it. Cool. Let's get ready for the trading day, everybody. Where did 6046 come from on ES? Where'd you get the level? The Russell. Whoops. I'll tell you what, it looks good on the monthly, that's for sure. Probably a monthly cup and handle for me. Got your 2-hour supply up there. 1-hour supply as well. I'd watch that for a reject, to be honest. Then we have demand right here. All right, what do we got? We got 4 minutes. Let's lock in on NQ. I mean, the previous day close isn't like something I would use like if we break below it, I'm bearish, or if we break above, I'm bullish. So I guess it just depends on how you trade, to be honest. Four minutes till market open. See what we got as far as the news. right. 30. All right. 9:45. We have PMI, 10 ISM. Fed speaker at 1, Fed speaker at 3, Fed speaker at 7:30. Cool. So PMI and ISM definitely very important. Let's get it. 2 minutes. I have questions. Anybody broken a toe? What am I supposed to do about it? I've never broke a toe before. Oh, Amazon just got destroyed. Does the toe kind of just like wrap it over another toe? All right, bet. It's like literally the middle toe. I was so pissed. I went to the bathroom in the middle of the night yesterday, smacked that thing on the door like super hard trying to go back to bed. I was pissed. But yesterday it was just bruised. Now today it's like purple. Just thinking about just doing the guy thing and being like, oh, I'll be fine. All right, market is open. Only interested in this Palantir if the spread's tighten, because right now they're like 50 wide. Yeah, no, there's no way that we're going to be able to trade this. Big reaction off of 100, though. It's just those spreads. Now they want to tighten as it pushes up. Damn, that sucks. Almost $2 move off that 100. Spreads were just terrible. NQ's pulling back. I'm also talking to the WAP guys real quick. Need to see something. Okay. Yeah, I think waiting for data is going to be our best bet. Damn, Meta is cranking. See if we can get pullback on that bad boy. Palantir just up $3 off of the 100. They wanted to give ass spread so nobody could get in. Meta's up like $9 already. All right, so pretty strong move off the open so far. Still think our best bet's going to be to wait for this PMI. Because obviously that strength could turn into weakness very quickly. Thank you for the subscribe. Meta is still cranking. So I think with Meta, if we can close somewhere up here, around like the 713, 714 level, and then retrace back to yesterday's high at 707.70, that could be a nice setup to the upside. Let's see, what are we about to trade to? Never mind. Not a valid level. Yeah, I'm really liking this meta. Yeah, let's just wait for this PMI. No point in putting on a trade right now. You kind of have like a bull flag break right here, or like a falling wedge, whatever you want to call it. This is where your trend line would be. If this was pre-market high, yeah. Let's see, where's 3 a.m. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so this is pre-market high. Want to get a trade for the small account today. It's just been so volatile. Plus, more so like a scalper's market with NQ. All right, news in 1 minute. $30 seconds. That meta still has not pulled back. Even VWAP I'm interested in for meta. Thank you for the subscribe. Yeah, just watching right now. Guess let's see what happens if we pull back to this pre-market high again. But we do have a decent amount of sellers up here that we keep hitting or like getting close to. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe we gotta wait for ISM. Meta still, it's just nuking. Opens at 7:03. It's at 7:16. Just casual $13 pump. Just wait. I'd like to see Meta pull back to VWAP. That's like the area now. I'd prefer a 70770, but it's just so far away. All right, so let's see. The market's pulling back. I want to watch this NQ getting towards that pre-market high. Meta's not pulling back yet. Let's see. I want to see if we hold this level. Looks like we're potentially gonna lose it. Yeah, let's just wait till the news. ISM, whatever it is, and then see what the market has to offer. Oops. Sorry, I'm kind of multitasking with something because there's like 6K that went somewhere that I have no idea where it went. So we're gonna find this out while we're waiting for ISM. All right, we're about to get news. What does it say? The 5th? All right, we're pushing up off of that news. I don't know where that money went. I'll figure it out later. Actually, we're getting the pullback on Meta. How juiced are these contracts, though? That's the question. We'll look at the 715s. Like 700 bucks, 700, 800 bucks. Let's see if we can get a pullback on Meta to like 712. We got really, really close, but I prefer it to actually be at 712. But now that we got news out of the way, see what we can find. Selling off the entire pump. Again, all we did was go into that seller. See what happens with this Meta. It's at the level I'm not in yet. Whole market's tanking. I mean, maybe we do get that 707.70 level. I would love that. Yeah, 707.70. Let's watch that. I have the 710 calls pulled up. If we can get down there. A little bit lower. Patiently waiting. Still no trades today. Draw. There you go. Still watching that 707. All right, we're getting close to it. 707.70 on Meta. Set previous day high, plus we have a fib there. The market's going to reverse. It's going to be because of Meta bouncing off this level. Now, if Meta blows through it, then obviously I have no idea what the market's going to do. My fingers unfreeze. Why is it not moving? There we go. Oh no, I'm a little hesitant with this Meta, to be honest with you. Still keeping an eye on it, but no entry on Meta yet. Palantir doesn't look bad either. Just depends on the spreads. Still no entry with Meta either. This might be it though. I hate how the market's not giving a clear direction. It's like that Meta's gonna push. Go watch this Palantir. It's alright if we miss out on that Meta if it wants to push. A little iffy about it though. Not 100% confident. So I'm gonna watch Palantir 105 calls. I have them pulled up. They actually have liquidity and a tight spread. We have news in 10 minutes. That person's tripping. 8:30, 10:30. Unless it's not on this calendar. Whoops. Bruh. I accidentally unplugged the screen. Hold on. That one. Bro, what? This one right here. This came out the actual computer. I swear to God, if I miss out on my setup because of this. There we go. Yeah, that meta's going. It's alright. Where'd my screen go? Still showing it on Streamlabs. You guys still see this? Guess so. Yeah, everybody in Zoom, you see this screen right here, book map. With what else did I put up? NQ. Yeah, alright, bet. Bet. Alright, this is kind of like last resort for balance here. If it's gonna bounce or even like validate the setup, it's gonna be this 102. But if it loses it, that's invalid. So far, we're losing. All right. So there is potentially now a setup on QQQ depending on if we can hold above these levels. That Palantir is invalid, but I do like if we can like build a base above this 821 in VWAP because we are squeezing. I do like the potential for longs to take it back up into high day. Just depends on these next few candles. Yeah, we're not gonna look at Meta. More interested in this NQ though, if it can actually like build this base that I'm looking for. Bye bye Meta. No, I don't even consider that. I just watch zones and wait for intraday setups. All right, so if we can close with a bullish candle on this one, pull back and retrace somewhere in here, I would be interested in potentially trying calls and longs. We need to like we gotta close somewhere up here though for me to be interested in that. All right, so it looks like we're gonna get it. I want to have the QQQ to have the 522 calls pulled up on QQQ. I'll wait for this pullback if we can get it. $522. If we get a pullback. I want a little more. I want it like right in this area. All right, this general area right here. Let's see if we hold it. All right, I'm gonna give it a go. QQQ calls. Like to see us take out the high of this candle. Come on, a little bit more. I like this 5 minutes so far. We just gotta take out this high. Took the NQ longs. Feel free to trim some off. There we go. There we go. All right, let's trim some off. Trim some off. Let's put our stops at break even. Break even stop. Worst case scenario, we make a little bit of lunch money, but I would really love to see this high day. It's just we've had constant rejection in this area. So it's a nice setup for potential. We got our little lunch money out of it. Worst case scenario, break even stop loss. We made a little bit of money. See if we can take it out. There we go. Come on, keep pushing. More. Don't be stupid. Mas. Give me mas. Give me mas. Give me mas. Y'all make some money on this trade, though? Yes, no, maybe so. It's not like a banger trade, but I mean, it's something. Yeah, you guys want to give me a little W if you're making money or even find an education? Drop a little W in the chat. I need more than that. 154. So we popped about like $30 per contract. Again, keep your stop loss break even. Or even slightly in profits if you want. $577. Let's go. All right, we're getting that push. Let's get more. Yeah, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take some more off. Not going to be greedy. Took some more off. Well, not some more. I'm on the small account, so it's not like I ain't got a bunch. Took the NQs, though. The funded is doing fire today. $2,169 on the funded. I'm on 150K funded. Like actual funded, though. Whatever you guys want. We can do whatever. I don't care. Yeah, I'm just leaving the stop break even. Yeah, use code Brandon. We're about to get that high day, everybody. Let me see what my entry was on the futures. So I got 154 on the contracts. They traded to 2, so almost like, what's that? Almost $50 on the contracts. And Q, I got the longs at 21561.25, and we're up at 21605. So what is that? Like 40 points? But yeah, use discount code Brandon, all caps, on FFF. the W's, not gonna lie, the W's sucked on the last one, so I want to redo it real quick. I'm gonna take a picture, okay? If you guys either made money on QQQ or NQ, or you're finding education in today's stream, type a W in the chat for me. I need to see a lot more W's than what we just had. Okay? Way better. Let's see if we get that high a day, though. That'd be nasty. All right. Let's put the stop in profits. Whoops. Like $10 in profit. Let's put it at 1.64. Now we're going to multitask and figure out where the hell that $6,000 went from earlier. Keep your stop loss in because I'm going to figure out where the hell this money went. I don't know what set of balls you think I got on me, but I ain't trading no 100 contracts. Hell no. My huevos aren't that big yet. I have no clue where this money went. It is not in the account that it should be. When you put actual hard stops, they're market orders, so if it gets down to it, it's automatically going to sell. It might slip like $1 or two, but typically that's it should hit it right away. Air day. I wonder if we're gonna get that high a day. Cody, you going to the gym today, fool? Okay. Yeah, I don't know where my money's at. If anybody would like to donate 6K to the Lost Brandon Money Fund, I'll take it. Psych. In the meantime, though, real quick, while we're just chilling here. Oh, I think I stopped out. Yeah, I'm out. Okay. So while we are now just chilling, I'm going to give the market 10 more minutes. But if you guys are looking to learn from me, learn exactly how I found setups like that, get access to my swing course, my books, one-on-one sessions. If you guys want to learn more from me, make sure to apply right here. This is the one and only mentorship that I'm doing this entire year. So if you guys like making money from me, you want to learn exactly how I'm finding these setups, because we've been crushing it this week, that is the link right there in the chat. Make sure to tap in. Oh, I was muted in the Zoom. It hit my stop in profits, everybody. Might continue to go up with these contracts. It's getting a little later in the day. The theta is going to start hitting them. Let's see. This is a trade we got, though. Let's do as far as risk to reward perspective. Oh, this shit's delayed. We went long on this candle right here as we pull back to that 21 EMA. Stop loss was right below. Say like right here. I can actually look at that entry. Yeah, that was like right about where we got in. Stop was right below if we showed weakness. Almost a 3R trade from our original position. $54 to $197. I don't know what that is percentage wise. $28%. Plus 28%. Longs. What's that? 561. 44 points. Go drop a little react in the Brandon screen share as well, if you guys are in the Discord. Meta dropped. Yeah, I mean, we missed that original meta entry. That would have been nasty. And a nice trade. Well, guys, it looks like we're out about $6,000 because should be in my bank. Clearly not. Everybody doing good? Anybody got questions? I'm gonna chill out for like 5 more minutes. I have two 50K. I have two 50K fundeds. Is four cons too? I would say four is too much with 50K. I don't know what the drawdown limit is on a 50K, but I'm assuming it's very, very small. Unless you're doing MNQ or MES, then what are you trading? Damn, it's gonna hit our stop and probably push. Oh yeah, four is way too much because what is that? Oh my god, I'm terrible at math. Even if you lost 50 points, 25 points, you blow your account. And 25 points can happen on NQ in literally the snap of a finger. So I would say, honestly, if you're trading the 50Ks and just do what is it called? MNQ. It just depends on the day, to be honest. Like that setup was actually like decent enough to take the contracts, but we haven't traded contracts this week. We just did futures. QQQ calls and Q longs. Yeah, same exact thing. They both move in sync. QQQ and QES SPY. Yep, I do lives every single day in Team Bull and the mentorship. It's just you gotta calculate your risk very precisely with NQ. I have to call my bank here in a minute. Let's do some math real quick though. We did $2,169.12 today. We did 826.84 yesterday. And then on Monday, we did. I thought I made more Monday. Hold on. There's a, yeah. 3,489.58. $6,485.54 this week, plus a small account, which we can add that. It's not much, but that puts us over 6,500 on the week. $6,500. Cool. Makes up for the lost money. We're going to find it, though. Better get smacked. All right, but I'm going to call it here, fam. I'm going to figure out where my money went because it ain't my bank and it should be. So let's do this again tomorrow. Anybody who's watching on YouTube, I'm only live streaming the rest of the week inside of Team Bull, my mentorship. So, you guys want access to that? It's the only way. Join Team Bull or the mentorship. Everybody have a blessed day. I hope you all made money with me.